Wow, guys, wow. Hi friends, this is CP sir. As I am a content creator, I had ordered my gimbal. मैले एउटा गिम्बल अर्डर गरेको थिएँ, त्यो गिम्बल चाहिँ आइसकेको छ अरे। त्यसलाई लिनको लागि म रामपुर बजार जाँदै छु। Everyone, let's go Rampur.
खाँदै त
ओहो सामान त बिर्सेको पो सामान कस्तो छ चेकिङ गर्नु पर्यो यसो के छ I am really hurried. Oh my god. सगारमा लडेर मान्छे मरै भनेर भन्थे मरिन्छ क्या Okay everyone म आइसकेको छु के छ कसो छ सामान चेकिङ हान्दिहालौँ चार्ज त गर्नु पर्यो मोबाइललाई Okay. के छ के कसो आउँछ हेरौँ Oh my god. I'm really excited. म त कतिखेर सामान आउँछ चेक गर्नु भनेर भएको थिएँ सामान आइसक्यो Oh my god. Let's check अब केले खोल्ने हो त I have scissors. Where how to open it? यसबाट खोल्नु पर्यो I'm really excited to open this one. Gimbal. Video गरेर क्यामेरा किन सकेको छैन अब भिडियो अलि गरेर गिम्बल चाहिँ सबले ह्यान्डी होस् भनेर मोबाइल उठ्को लागि ह्यान्डी होस् यताउति होस् भनेर चाहिँ मगाएको वास्तवमा यो गिम्बल चाहिँ के छ त्यसमा भनेको wow guys M1 3-axis Mark 1 smartphone stabilizer okay 3-axis यही हो नि हैन horizontal and rotate खिच्न मिल्दो रहेछ फेस ट्र्याकिङ छ टाइम ल्याप्स छ म्यानुअल जुमिङ छ अनि collapsible छ रियल टाइम चार्जिङ छ वर्किङ आवर 5 hours खोल्दिउँ अब खोल्दिउँ हैन सरररररररर यस्तै खोल्दिन्छु म यस्तो गरेदेखि चाहिँ मलाई पेपरवर्क यो पेपरवर्कमा क्राइदैन वाउ गाइस वाउ सामान चाहिँ कस्तो छ हेरौँ हैन सामान हेरेपछि चाहिँ मजा आउँछ This is a tripod. Oh, it's heavy, guys. So this is heavy. This is tripod. This isn't a good quality. Actually, this isn't a good quality, okay? Nice. Nice tripod, guys. Okay. यसलाई पनि suitable हुने रहेछ. I have this gimbal and यो face tracking gimbal लाई पनि suitable हुने खालको रहेछ यो त बवाल मजा आउने भयो. Okay, this is here. I don't want to do it, but okay, it is also suitable for it. Let's not work for this one. यसको लागि नै आएको हैन किन यसलाई वर्किङ गर्ने हैन यसको त यतिकै अडिहाल्छ यो यसलाई साइडमा राखिदिउँ This is type A to type C cable. You can see here type A to type C cable. यसलाई पनि यता राखिदिउँ Wow. What is there inside? Wow, pouch guys, pouch. You can see here a pouch. Nice pouch. I need this, guys. Really premium quality. Okay. How to use it? This way, guys. This way. I know. Wow. There is a motor. Here is also a motor. Here is also a motor. And here is also a motor. 3 axis means 3 motors are here. And you can see camera capture button. And you can see a Type-C port. And this is, wow, guys, this is joystick. I think it will work or not, but this is joystick. M. What is this? M means, I think, mode. Okay, it's a power button here. What is this? W, T. W, T. Okay, zoom. Yeah, this is zoom. And power button button. And how to use it. Oh, yeah. It is making some noise inside. I think motor is making noise. Application download गर्नु पर्दो रहेछ, guys. See, let's download the application first. Let me. Where? Here. Okay, I've got this one. You are looking this background. This is my YouTube channel background, Khatri Institute. I have a tripod here. Let's set a tripod. It's a tripod here. Let's put it in here. Now, it's done now. It's looking really nice. It's moving. It's a little bit shaky here. Shaky छ यसको यो चाहिँ. Let me put here a camera. This is my iPhone. Oh yeah. Let's put it back. Back here. Oh yeah. Nice. Horizontal vertical. Okay. It's nice. Everyone, I will show you the footage too.